Pioneer. We're here, pastime, etc. So, guys, I'm inside the car, which I am about to show how it looks like. So, the make of this car is, I almost forgot. It's a Jeep, and the model is Compass Sport from Grand Prairie Chrysler. Okay, disclaimer. This is not a sponsored vlog. I just want to show how this car looks like inside. Last week I've vlogged already a part of this. I've shown the outside part of the car. Okay, so I hope you enjoy watching. This is it. My final verdict, my final evaluation or assessment of this car which we are using now is a thumbs up. Good job, Grand Prairie Chrysler. Satisfied client here. Though my role here is just a passenger always because I'm scared to drive. So I'm just a passenger. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching my vlog, and please don't forget to subscribe or leave your comments below. Bye. See you in my next vlog. Bye bye, guys. Have a good one.